How to build confidence in speaking English. Building confidence in speaking English can be challenging, but it is essential for becoming fluent. First, practice speaking every day. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Start by speaking with friends or language partners, even if it's just for a few minutes. Second, focus on understanding, not just perfect grammar. It's okay to make mistakes. What matters is that you communicate effectively. Third, listen to English speakers to improve your understanding and pronunciation. This will give you a better idea of how to structure your sentences. Fourth, try thinking in English. When you think in English, it becomes easier to speak. Finally, celebrate small victories. Every time you speak English, even if it's just a simple sentence, you're making progress.